Hi, I'm Matt Capel with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. So when you purchase new carpet from us, we were noticing a problem. Often people would get a spot or spill on their carpet and they were asking us, how do we get this out of our carpet? Well, we give this, we call it a Home Pro spotter to those that buy carpet from us, and it works great on just getting out everyday spots and spills. And one thing that we do at our store is we give away free refills as long as you have your carpet. So if you just bring your original bottle back to us and you purchased carpet from us, we'll refill your bottle. And so that way you can continue to get little spots and spills out of your carpet. So that's just one of the perks of going with Capel Flooring and Interiors. And we would love to sell you some new carpet. Come down and see us, and we'll find the right floor for you in your house. Thanks.